While you were busy bragging about being a 10x engineer and pushing untested code to production, Anthropic was silently leaking 500,000 lines of their internal code onto NPM. Someone forgot to flip a single switch. There's one detail in their postmortem that should genuinely make your blood run cold. I'll get there. March 31st, 2026. A tiny mistake in a .npm ignore file. Bun's default source map generation. And bam, a 59, 8 megabyte JavaScript source map file containing the full Claude code source. Exposed for 3 hours and 8 minutes. 513,000 lines of unencrypted TypeScript. 1,906 files. The entire client-side agent harness. The query engine. Multi-agent coordination systems. Persistent memory tech. Telemetry analysis tools. Encryption libraries. All their OAuth flows. Just out there. For anyone to grab. This wasn't just code. It was the damn blueprint. 44 feature flags, 20 of them for features nobody had even seen yet. Internal API designs. System prompts that define how Claude thinks. Everything a competitor would need to reverse engineer Anthropic's secret sauce. The most twisted part? A feature called Undercover Mode. It was built to scrub AI attributions from commits so Anthropic employees wouldn't accidentally reveal their work. The very thing meant to hide their tracks ended up broadcasting their secrets. But the real catastrophe wasn't just the leak, it was the lure. Within hours, the code was mirrored to GitHub, forked tens of thousands of times. Then the vultures descended. User ID Zoom. User My3Jai. They spun up fake repositories. These lookalike repos, plastered with titles like Claude Code, Leaked Source Code, promised access to an unrestricted or unlocked enterprise version. All you had to do was download the executable, which turned out to be a Rust-based dropper. And what did that dropper unleash? Vidar 17, 8 information stealer, GhostSock's proxy malware. Your attempt to run Anthropic's leaked code became a self-inflicted cyberwound. You installed the malware yourself. Your banking details, your crypto wallets, every password you'd saved, your active session cookies, all siphoned off by Vidar. Your machine then became a proxy for who knows what dark activity. And all because you wanted to play with the shiny new toy. The worst part? That wasn't even the only attack hitting at the same time. During that exact same 3-hour window, a completely separate actor pushed a Trojanized version of the Axios NPM dependency and a fake plain crypto.js package. Supply chain attacks layering on top of your own stupidity. Anthropic's official statement? Human error? Release packaging issue? Not a security breach? They called it a black eye. I call it a full-blown arterial spray, self-inflicted, and you were all swimming in it. Digging into their code revealed 50-plus deprecated functions still in active use, 460-plus ESLint disable comments, and my personal favorite, empty catch blocks and critical authentication paths, just swallowing errors whole, silently. Anthropic, the company that shouts safety first from the rooftops, had authentication code that essentially shrugged and said, oops, never mind when it failed. That isn't safety. That's a ticking time bomb baked right into your core product. And the hex-encoded internal strings? That's a classic malware technique to dodge automated scanners, found in Anthropic's code. This isn't a safety-first company. This is a move fast and pray operation. Gary Marcus, the AI critic, actually read the leaked code. His take, the code is also a mess. Both can be true. Anthropic itself called Claude Code the single biggest advance in AI since the LLM, and they dumped it all in one JavaScript map file. This is the inevitable result when you prioritize shipping new products at warp speed, apparently throwing security out the window. Anthropic was too busy building Tamagotchi-like AI pets called Buddy and always-on background demons like Kairos to actually watch the store. The company that preaches AI safety just handed over a detailed roadmap of its internals, its unreleased features, and its glaring security holes to every hacker and competitor on Earth for free. Tell me in the comments, what's the most ridiculous feature you found in that leaked code? If you're not a lazy bastard and you want to stay ahead of this, hit subscribe. I'm the Godfather. I run toward the fire so you don't have to. You wanted to run Claude unrestricted. You got unrestricted malware. This wasn't some gift. It was a Trojan horse built by negligence, delivered by greed, and opened by you.